Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do the cute deer interactions in Heartopia. So did you know that you can have an adorable interactions with the wild deer in Heartopia? And one of the cutest actions will let you the deer gently lick your character's hand. And to unlock these interactions, you first need to reach bond level 5 like this, you can see it. And once you hit the bond level 5, these special interactions will become available like this one. And the easiest way to increase your bond is by feeding the deer every day. Its favorite food is prawns and then lettuce and salad. And so make sure to give it that whenever you can for faster bond progress. And then after you have unlocked this action, just simply walk up to your deer, but you can also give it food first, and then after that just to interact with deer like this. And then next just tap on these actions, the leak actions like this. Like this. Your character will immediately start adorable animations where the deer lovingly licks your hand like this. I think it's so cute. And okay, that's it. It's a simple but really cute interactions that definitely worth to unlocking. And okay, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.